Hey, as a realtor, if you're not taking advantage of the Pareto Principle, you're probably working too hard. And what is this Pareto Principle? Well, it's also known as the 80-20 rule. And it means that 80% of your work and headaches are caused by 20% of your clients. And it's the other 80% of our clients, the low maintenance ones, the easygoing clients that you want to work with. And similarly, 80% of your income is most likely generated by those amazing, awesome, high income clients. And in this video, I'm going to show you 11 ways to attract that elite 20 that will dramatically increase your commissions and decrease your workload. And what I did was I applied a complete, proven, simple signature system. I call this system CPS3. And at the heart of it is you need to attract, not chase. And what would your life look for you if all you had to do each day was about 1 to 2 hours of work a day and you never had to chase a lead again? Well, that's what the CPS3 is all about. See, with the CPS3, there's 11 ways to attract really cool premium buyers and sellers. And a cool premium buyer seller is someone that knows what they want. Number 2 is decisive. And number 3, they're willing to buy or sell at market price. And when you work with that kind of a buyer seller, your life becomes so much better, so much simpler, so much easier, becomes easy, lucrative, and fun. So the 11 ways the CPS3 is designed to attract cool premium leads for you is number 1 is a lender. I teach you how to get a lender to send you $1 million of closed business a month. Number 2 is Tuesday, Friday update calls. It's how to get 1 to 2 more buyers and sellers from every buyer and seller you're currently working with. Number 3 is how to send out 2 pieces of mail a day, 5 days a week to add $25,000 or more to your monthly income. 4 is how to get a national builder to send you $1 million of business a month. 5, how to connect so well with a custom home builder that they give you all their listings at a full commission. 6, how to do a simple 2-hour event to celebrate someone buying or selling so that you get $1 million of new business from every 2-hour event you do. 7 is how to create an ultimate 200 with just 200 people in your community so that you add, again, an additional $25,000 monthly to your income. 8, what the only 2 online sources you should be doing so that you're only truly working with a few families month in and month out, so you're working less and earning more. Number 9, how to properly and simply do an open house at the higher end. Number 10, how to get 7 more listings from these 7 listing letters that I send out. And number 11, if you want a higher end listing within 30 days, what exact postcard to send out today. So if you want to work less, if you want to earn more, if you want a more secure, consistent, predictable income and basically get your life back with more family time, more vacations, then I invite you to attend my free webinar where I'm going to bust 3 of the biggest myths that are holding realtors like yourself back from living the life they dreamed they would have and the reason they became a realtor in the first place. This is an on-demand webinar, meaning you can click now to watch now. You don't need to wait until next Thursday at 2 o'clock. Instead, I'd rather see you secure a new listing by that time. So what are you waiting for? Click the link.